Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to Review Rover. Today, I've got two fantastic recipes lined up for you. We'll start with a super simple and healthy air fryer bacon recipe that's perfect for those who love clean eating. Then, we'll dive into a delightful treat, air fryer sweet potato fries that make an incredible side dish or snack. So, if you're ready to discover these mouth-watering creations and learn some pro tips along the way, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss a tasty update. Let's get cooking. Today, we'll kick things off with a culinary classic, air fryer bacon. It's a dish that's not only delicious but also incredibly easy to prepare using the magic of air frying. So, get ready to savor the crispy, savory goodness of perfectly cooked bacon. Let's dive right in. I'm all about clean eating, so I want to emphasize that this is a clean eating recipe. Now, let's get started with the ingredients. All you need is nitrate-free bacon and an air fryer. Now, when it comes to choosing your bacon, try to find the nitrate-free kind for a healthier option. I'll be using a Ninja Foodi for this recipe, and if you haven't got one yet, you can easily find it online. The Ninja Foodi is fantastic. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, air fryer, dehydrator, and more all in one. It's a real game changer for meal prep and quick cooking ideas. Now, let's talk about how to cook bacon in the Ninja Foodi. There might be a few methods out there, but I've got my own way, and it's pretty easy. You might think it's best to use the silver rack with the rack towards the top of the pot. That's how I used to do it, but I've discovered an even simpler method. Since we're using the air fryer function of the Foodi, you don't need to add water to the bottom of the pot. With the silver rack, you'd have to carefully lay the bacon slices across it. But my method is even better. Just separate your bacon strips and loosely place them in the air fryer basket. No need for precise placement. Put the basket into the Ninja Foodi, turn it on, and select the air crisp function. Set the temperature to 390 degrees and the time for 16 minutes. Close the lid, and you're good to go. The beauty of this method is that you don't have to wait for the Foodi to come to pressure since we're using the air crisp function, and you can lift the lid anytime to check on your bacon. After about 4 minutes, lift the lid and give your bacon a quick toss with silicone tongs. Be sure to avoid metal utensils, as they might scratch your Foodi basket. The cooking time is just right for bacon that's not too soft and fatty, but not overdone either. If you prefer it well done, you can leave it for another minute or two, but keep an eye on it. We love having our Ninja Foodi bacon with eggs in the morning, but you can add bacon to any side dish you like. One more thing that's great about cooking bacon in the Ninja Foodi is that the bacon doesn't sit in the grease while it cooks, like it would if you cooked it on the stovetop in a skillet. The grease drips through the basket, leaving your bacon tasting like bacon and not like grease. Enjoy! Are you ready for another delightful treat? I've got a fantastic recipe for air fryer sweet potato fries that make a perfect side dish or snack. You'll only need some simple pantry ingredients and, of course, sweet potatoes. Now, here are a few tips to make sure your sweet potato fries turn out amazing. First, make sure to space them out well in the air fryer to ensure even cooking. You might have to do multiple batches unless you're lucky enough to have the Ninja Foodi double air fryer. Also, remember to flip them halfway through the cooking time for that even crispiness. Typically, you can fit about 1 sweet potato's worth of fries in the air fryer at a time, depending on the size of your fryer. A quick tip: if you want to keep the first batches warm while the others cook, pop them in the oven at 220 degrees Fahrenheit on a sheet pan. Here are the ingredients you'll need: sweet potatoes, olive oil, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, parsley for garnish. I find it helpful to have olive oil cooking spray on hand to keep the fries moist. Now, do you need to peel the sweet potatoes for these fries? Well, that's up to you and your preference. I like to leave the skin on, but peeling works just as well. When slicing them, aim for slices that are about 1/4 to half an inch thick, keeping in mind that they'll shrink a bit in the air fryer. For this recipe, I'm using the Ninja FD401 Foodi, a multitasking kitchen superstar. It's an 8QT pressure cooker and air fryer with 12 functions, including air fry or air crisp for that perfect crispiness. It's like having a full brigade of kitchen appliances in one sleek package. Now, let's get to the cooking instructions. 1. Start by cleaning and cutting the sweet potatoes into French fry slices, about 1/4 to half an inch thick. You can peel them or leave the skin on, your choice. 3. Lightly spray the air fryer basket with olive oil cooking spray, but be careful, it might be hot. 4. In a bowl, drizzle the sweet potato slices with olive oil, salt, pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. Mix them thoroughly to coat. 5. Place the sweet potato fries evenly in the air fryer basket. You might need to cook them in batches. 6. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes, making sure to rotate them halfway through for your desired crispiness. 7. Once they're done, transfer them to a sheet pan and keep them warm in the oven at 220 degrees Fahrenheit while you cook the other batches. 8. Repeat the process for the remaining batches. 9. Serve your sweet potato fries immediately with your favorite dipping sauces. A quick note, air fryer temperatures can vary, so start checking around the 10-minute mark to get your desired level of crispiness. And if you're using a Ninja Foodi, use the air crisp function. Enjoy your delicious homemade air fryer sweet potato fries. Whether you're a fan of clean eating or just looking for a tasty treat, these recipes have something to offer. So, go ahead and give them a try, and let your taste buds be the judge. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delectable recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for joining us today, and happy cooking!